What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy B-Blanco, man. Hey man. I'm back with another sneaker video, man. What is going on, bro? I'm getting all the drops, man. I'm copping everything, man. Wherever's releasing, I'm copping, bro. As you can see in the title, man, I still haven't even opened the box yet. Your boy got the shattered backboard ones, bro. Can you please tell me why these are sitting? Like why are these are you crazy? Y'all really think that these are gonna go to the outlets, bro? Oh man, ain't no way y'all think these are going to the outlets, man. Let's take a look at the box right here. This box is crazy, bro. The shattered backboard box, it's just, this is crazy, bro. I can't believe that these are sitting. What are we doing? Like, are y'all really not, bro? I'm telling you, I don't know if y'all remember a couple years ago when the Jordan 1s was popping, bro. If the Jordan 1s was popping and these released, these would have sold out instantly and been going for like $500-600. I got these off of a restock. I forgot these was dropping. These wasn't even on my radar, man. But my God, oh my God, this is a legendary shoe, bro. I mean, yes, it's a black, white, and orange Jordan 1. But the shattered backboard is such a legendary sneaker. Like, why are y'all asleep right now? Like, y'all need to wake up and cop, because I'm not gonna lie. Do these come with extra laces, by the way? They do come with extra laces. Okay, so they do come with your orange laces. I don't think I'm putting orange laces on these. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I'm not gonna lie. One of the shoes that I really slept on this year was the Jordan 5 metallic reimagines, bro. Like, I regret copying that on release day so much, bro, because they went up and they're like double the price now. They're like $500, bro. If you guys want a sneaker, do not sleep. Do not sleep. Don't wait for it to go to the outlets unless it's not like a hype release. Like, this is a classic colorway right here. When these start to hit, man, like, trust me, these are going to fly. These are going to fly, and they're gonna go up in price. I promise. They're already going for above retail on StockX and Go already. I know you can still grab some sizes, and you know they made a bunch of these, you know, but trust me when I say this shoe it's a legendary shoe, man. Let's just take a look at it. I mean, there's nothing really special about this shoe, you know what I mean, in terms of like what a Jordan 1 is. But I will tell you, I'm not gonna lie, I like that quality, man, and I like that crack leather. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, you can see that like crack leather. That quality is crazy, bro. I love the orange, bro. It's a beautiful like summer/fall shoe. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. And as always, man, let's take a look at the insole, bro, because the insole on these, just looking at them, these is crazy. Like, the insole is crazy on these, bro. They really like this is what I like when you know, when we're talking about sneakers, man. Like, I like when Jordan brand does different things like this. Obviously, you're not going to be looking at this when you wear the shoe, right? But just the little details, even with the box. Like, I'm not somebody that throws away my box, but just something like this, man, just to kind of differentiate, you know, between your sneakers. Like, nobody just wants a regular box. Like, I like when they, you know, put effort into these things, you know what I mean? But let me know what you guys, you know, how you guys feel down in the comment section. I mean, there's really not much to say about this shoe. I'm pretty sure everybody and their mom released a review on these already, but let me know down in the comment section. Are you guys like waiting to see if these go on sale, man? I highly doubt that. I'm not gonna lie to you, not with this shoe, man. This trust me. And when I tell you, especially around Christmas time, there's going to be a lot of people wanting to recop this shoe. So if they don't come out with another restock, I see these going up a lot, man. I was able to cop these off of the restock. I wasn't able to cop them off of the original drop, but I'm glad that I did, man. It's a beautiful shoe. You can wear it with pants, shorts, jeans, cargos. You can dress it up, dress it down, dress it left, dress it right. You know what I'm saying? This is a fire shoe, man. The shattered backboard 2025 Jordan 1s, man. Beautiful shoe. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys enjoyed this review, and if you guys, you know, are continuing to enjoy these sneaker reviews, man, because I love doing them. And I appreciate, you know, you guys for tuning in. We're almost right. I feel like I hit a plateau, man. We're like 5 subscribers away from hitting 2,000 subscribers. Somebody please hit that subscribe button right now, man. But other than that, y'all, man, I appreciate everybody out here, man. Take care, stay safe out there, and I'm out, people.